Hello everybody. Thank you so much for following my videos. I am Ricky, the CEO and head life coach of Life Has No Limits. Now, as a life coach, I empower people to reach their full potential by seeing the possibilities that they have of their potential. Now, I, being human myself, have had a session with one of my fellow life coaches, and we were talking about pieces of our jigsaw and how sometimes we take on pieces of the puzzle from other people's jigsaws, and that might not necessarily fit our jigsaw. And when we hear all this chatter from all these other people around us doing all these wonderful things, it can create some self-doubt and some limiting beliefs, and you can start questioning, have I got this inside me? Can I do this? And the answer is yes, you absolutely can do this. And how I know this is because every challenge that I've ever had myself, I have absolutely conquered. And I want you to be able to conquer and create the life that you deserve and that you want as well. It's my job to have you have that self-belief and that compassion and that kindness for yourself, and to really get back to core. And that means getting rid of all that outside noise, all that outside information that gets given to us. And yes, most of the time, people are sharing information to support us, to guide us, and a lot of the time they believe that they are helping us grow. But at the end of the day, you've really got to trust yourself and your journey, because nobody can make your decisions except for you. No matter how many people guide you and challenge you along the way, and you get muddled through picking up other people's jigsaw pieces. For example, somebody else could be doing a webinar or a workshop, and that might not be what you're doing at this stage. You might be better talking with people, doing one-to-one coaching, and it's about using your strengths. And that's what I want to bring out in you, your strengths. So, yeah, that's my words of wisdom for the day. Create your jigsaw. Put your own jigsaw pieces together. And I'm excited to help put these jigsaw pieces together with you. Have yourself a lovely evening, and I'm really super excited to be hearing from you soon.